I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use drawing grids for artists. Grids are a fantastic tool for achieving accurate proportions and perspectives in your artwork. They break down complex images into smaller, more manageable squares, making the drawing process much less intimidating. This method is especially helpful when you're trying to reproduce a reference image with precision, ensuring every element is placed correctly on your canvas or paper. It's a foundational technique for many artists. To begin, select your reference image and draw a grid directly onto it, or use a digital overlay. Next, create an identical grid on your drawing paper or canvas. For example, you might use a grid of 1-inch squares on your reference and a corresponding 1-inch grid on your drawing surface. The key is to ensure both grids have the exact same number of squares, maintaining a consistent ratio between your reference and your artwork. This setup is crucial for accurate transfer. Now the exciting part, transferring your image. Work square by square, carefully observing the lines and shapes within each individual grid section on your reference. Transfer these elements to the corresponding square on your drawing surface. Start with light, faint lines, building up the details gradually. This methodical approach helps you maintain accuracy and prevents you from getting overwhelmed by the entire image. Take your time, focusing on one small piece at a time. Once you've transferred all the essential elements, it's time to refine your artwork. Gently erase the grid lines, ensuring they don't leave any marks. Then, begin adding shading, texture, and color to bring your drawing to life. Step back frequently to assess the overall proportions and make any final adjustments. Remember, the grid is a tool to get you started. The artistic expression and finishing touches are entirely yours to create a truly unique piece.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.